Hello children, I will continue the lesson A Rose for the Princess. Hope you understood the part 3 also. So, this is the last part of this lesson. We are going to complete this lesson. Page number 105. You can open page number 105. So, here. Scene 3. The Emperor's garden is there. So, Maqbal is sitting one corner despondently. So, he doesn't even care to look at his favorite rose plants. Suddenly, there is a tinkling of anklets. Maqbal looks up and scrambles to his feet. It is the princess and the maid Dilruba. So, as Maqbal was really depressed and he felt so sad, right, because of the commandment given by commander. Right, unnecessarily he was stuck in that problem. So, he really is not happy even by looking at his favorite rose plants also. He is not happy. So, at that time as he was sitting and worrying about his trouble, so suddenly he could see Jahanara and Dilruba entered his garden. So, then Princess Jahanara began to ask like this, "What's the matter, Maqbal? Boy, you are crying. You are not happy to see me." So, she asked like that. Then here is the response of Maqbal. "Huzur Sahiba, how can I not be happy? I am not just bemoaning my fate. Okay, just I am thinking about my fate." Okay, so he was thinking differently. We'll come to know what's the reason and all. We'll come to know. Don't worry, we'll understand. So, Dilruba, why Maqbal? Why? What was the fate done to upset you so much? What happened to you? What was the fate? Why are you thinking about your future, about your fate, and thinking so much sad, feeling so much sad? What's the reason, Maqbal Mia? I have to leave this place soon. This was my future. So, he doesn't want to leave the place, leave that garden, because he loved that garden. He wants to take care of the roses that is there in that garden. Now the time has come for him, though the command has come for him to leave the garden. Then see, what? But why? So, Jahanara, she didn't understand why Maqbal boy needs to leave the garden. You love this place, and what will these roses do without you? Maqbal breaks down. So, okay, these roses will not be there if you are not there in that garden. So, these roses need you. Your care, you will be taking care of these roses. No, if you are not there, who is going to take care of these roses? What will happen to these roses? So, while listening those words, really Maqbal boy broke down, like he felt so sad. Dilruba, Maqbal boy, please tell us what happened. Okay, tell us what the reason. Tell me the truth. What happened? Maqbal began to read the response. See, you will come to know what's the reason for Maqbal's trouble. The commander wants me to leave for Sikandra immediately. Sikandra is one more place in that. So, he got the command. He got the order from the commander to leave the garden and go to another place. That place is Sikandra. Okay, I have been punished because of yesterday's incident. So, he thinks that was the punishment given by commander, because he has taken Jahanara, Princess Jahanara, to the city, to the temple. Actually, he doesn't know anything about princess. Simply he thought even that girl is not at all a princess. He thought just she was a maiden to the princess. So, innocently he is stuck in that problem. See, I have been punished because of yesterday's incident and sent off to work at Akbar Badshah's tomb at Sikandra. Who will look after my roses now? So, that was the reason for Maqbal's worry. So, he said, he thought that he got the punishment and he needs to leave that garden and go to the another place which is there, Sikandra. Okay, that is Akbar Badshah's tomb is there. So there he needs to go there and he needs to work in that as a punishment. So he is worrying about his roses. Who will take care of my roses? That was his worry. Then see here, Jahanara, don't worry, I will arrange something. You don't need to worry. Aren't you going to give me a parting gift? So she asked, so you don't need to worry, I'll arrange something. Are you not going to prepare one bouquet for me? One parting gift for me? Like that she asked. Maqbal looks at her, devastated. Certainly, Huzur Sahiba. He goes to the plant, searches for a rose and picks it. He offers it to her. This is my last gift to you, Huzur Sahiba. So he went as Maqbal. Jahanara asked him to give one beautiful gift. So at that time, Maqbal went into the garden and he plucked one rose flower, beautiful flower, and he has given to Jahanara, Princess Jahanara, and he told that was the last gift. Jahanara, she took that one, accepting it. It is beautiful. She took that and she exclaimed that was beautiful. Then Dilruba, yes, even more beautiful than Suba. Maqbal smiles for the first time. So at the first time, Maqbal smiles by listening the word of Dilruba. She said that the rose is so beautiful than Suba. Suba is also one beautiful rose flower, right? Pink color. That was the name was given by Maqbal. So Jan Jahanara, as a reward, I am giving you. Dilruba, shall I go fetch one of those gold chains you had set aside for gifts? No, Maqbal boy doesn't need gold. Maqbal's face falls. So she said, Dilruba said, shall I go fetch one of those gold chains you had set aside for gifts? So then Jahanara said, no, Maqbal boy doesn't need gold. Okay, actually Dilruba said, shall I go and bring some beautiful gift that is made up of gold? But Jahanara said, no, Maqbal boy doesn't need gold. He needs something. So Maqbal boy just put his face down. Then he deserves something far better, the rose gardens of Kila, to tend for the rest of his life. So more than the gold as a gift, Maqbal needs this garden. He is longing to take care of this garden. He doesn't want to leave this garden. If you give gold also, he will not be happy. If you give the position to take care of this garden, then it will be more than the gold as gift. So he thought, so Jahanara is planning to give the garden to Maqbal boy to take care of it. So Maqbal, Huzur. Huzur means, so you are honored, like that greatness. Jahanara, and if that commander troubles you again, tell him to come to me first. Okay, if that commander who had given that order to you, if he troubles you again, tell him to come and meet me. Then that was the order given by Jahanara. Then Maqbal, 1,000 thanks. So he said, 1,000 thanks. He felt so happy. Now he is thankful to Jahanara. So he said, 1,000 thanks, Huzur Sahiba. I will create the best roses in the kingdom for you. So this was the thanksgiving heart of Maqbal. So he said that now I am going to give best roses. I am going to create best roses in the kingdom for you. Who? For Princess Jahanara. Jahanara said, yes, but before that, Maqbal boy, I have a request for you. Okay, before going to prepare or create the beautiful roses, best roses, but I have some request. I need something from you. Then Maqbal, anything? Okay, whatever you ask, I am going to give it. What was your request? Let me tell. Like that, he began to ask Jahanara. Jahanara, next time you go to the mandir, send me the prasad. Okay, she has tasted the prasad in that Hanuman temple. No? So that's she remembers. So that's why she's asking again. So if you go to mandir again, so don't forget to bring the prasad for me. Then it was delicious, means it is so tasty. So bring it for me. Maqbal and Dilruba both were laughed. laughing, both are laughing like that. By the way, what is the name of this rose? So at last, whatever the rose that Maqbul has given to Jahnara at the last scene, so she began to ask, what was the name of this rose? Maqbul said, Shahnadi Jahnara. Okay, the rose name itself, Shahzadi Jahnara. That is the name of the princess. So that name of the princess, she has given that name, Maqbul has given that name to the rose flower that has given to Jahnara at last scene. Okay, this is the story of the rose flower, the princess. Do you like the story? Yes, right? I think you liked it. So very interesting lesson, and little bit every step is enthusiastic, right? So we love it. Thank you.